Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Emoji alarm clock and setting the correct time. This is the first actionable step. Plug in or install 3 XAAA cells, then hold the power button for 3 seconds to boot. Once done, choose 12-hour or 24-hour format and use the hour and minute buttons to advance quickly or hold them to scroll faster. Make sure to confirm the display blink stops, because that confirms the clock saved the time and is ready for the next configuration. Next, you configure alarms and audio so the clock behaves how you want. Press the alarm button to enter alarm 1, set hour and minute, then swipe or press to pick the emoji icon. Once set, choose a sound and adjust volume between 0 and 10. Choose snooze length, 5, 10, or 15 minutes, so it fits your routine. If your model has light or vibration, toggle those on now. Make sure to save each alarm before moving to the next, so nothing is overwritten. Finally, you finish setup and verify everything works. This completes the process. Position the clock about 1/2 to 1 meter from your bed for balanced sound and light. Then set a quick test alarm within 5 minutes and confirm sound, light, vibration, and snooze all behave as expected. If something fails, try a factory reset, recharge the battery, or update firmware through the companion app or Bluetooth pairing. One troubleshooting tip: if alarms skip, recheck battery contacts and resave alarms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.